Evinrude 2.5 horsepower, direct drive, runs on a 100 to 1 mix, has the onboard fuel tank with a vent, or you can run your remote tank. This is your choke, and if you twist it to the right, it's your fuel shut off, idle mixture screw, kill switch, and your throttle. And this is a mid-90s model, I believe, that is made in Belgium. We'll give it a quick test fire. It idles down real well. It is pumping water, although you can't see it. Sprays out a mist. It starts real easy. This has had the carb cleaned out on it and the lower unit oil changed on it. Flushed out the gas tank with this plastic tank. Got your extra shear pins. Whole motor's in pretty good shape. Thanks for watching.